Triveni Kala Sangam is an important cultural and arts complex and education center in New Delhi. Triveni Kala Sangam is surrounded by notable important buildings such as the Himachal Bhavan, the Federation of the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and the Sri Ram Center for Performing Arts. Triveni Kala Sangam was founded in 1950 by Sundari K. Sridharani, and the architect is Joseph Allen Stein. One can go to Triveni Kala Sangam by metro, bus, or a personal vehicle. For us, visiting Triveni meant that we had to take the metro from Dwarka Sector 10 on the Blue Line to Mandi House, also on the Blue Line, an hour's distance away. From the metro station, Triveni is actually just a walk away. And if you're feeling healthy and adventurous, you can always rent a smart bike or a bicycle to help you on your way. Joseph Allen Stein was an American architect and a major figure in the establishment of a regional modern architecture in the San Francisco Bay Area in the 1940s and 50s. In 1952, he moved to India. He is noted for designing several important buildings in India, most notably in Lodi Estate in central Delhi, nicknamed Steinabad after him, and where today the Joseph Stein Lane is the only road in Delhi named after an architect. The Government of India awarded him the fourth highest civilian award of Padma Shri in 1992. Triveni Kala Sangam has two entrances. One leads you towards the main building complex and one takes you towards the Triveni Auditorium. The latter is what we decided to visit first. The Triveni Auditorium is a stellar example of Joseph Allen Stein's unique style, which has captured the attention of many dancers and musicians to select it as a venue for their performances. Its broad and airy structure is aimed to provide an attractive venue for dance and music performances, talks, seminars, and book launches. The fully air-conditioned premises has a seating capacity of 150 guests. Ticketed shows are not allowed, but you may have shows with invitations. Exiting from the auditorium, we enter the Triveni Outdoor Sculpture Court, which serves as an open canvas for both established and young artists to exhibit their works to the world. Triveni Kala Sangam is extremely pleasing to the eye due to the various design elements that are used. There are extensive areas of jalis and planting boxes arranged into vertical gardens that are prominent at the complex. The jali panels create a cool space of filtered light in the classroom building's corridor. Large fenestrations in the stairwell with planters let in light and air. Pergolas with planters over the garden theatre and the restaurant add a cool touch to the building. There are various jalis and planters in the external facade as well. Heading inside through the main entrance, we see the Sridharani Art Gallery on the right and the reception on the left. We saw KDA's Digital Art Gallery, which had a hologram exhibition to mark Guru Nanak's 550th birth anniversary. There are two other indoor art galleries with a commitment to display diverse forms of artistic practices. Triveni Kala Sangam is an educational institution which teaches classical Indian dance, classical Indian music, contemporary painting, sculpture, photography and glass art, thus creating a confluence or sangam of various art forms. It provides a beautiful working environment for artists to express themselves through various forms of visual and performing arts. Triveni, as it's commonly referred, contains 4 art galleries, a chamber theatre, outdoor theatre, and open-air sculpture gallery. Besides this, it runs its various arts, music, and dance classes. It is situated on Tansen Marg between Mandi House Roundabout and Bengali Market. There are music rooms and dance rooms on the first and the second floor of the building, while the third floor is reserved for residences of teachers and workers and visitors. The amphitheatre has stepped landscaped seating for the audience, which is a very comfortable and beautiful place to spend your evenings celebrating art. The amphitheatre, which some might say is the main attraction at Triveni, is a versatile space for a number of activities. On one side is the Children's Art Gallery, where artworks from various workshops that children participated in are displayed. Set in an open ambience, the stage is ideally placed to hold seminars, slide and talk shows, and display of artworks. It is one of the most beautiful settings one can find in New Delhi to display art. We decided to call it a day and head on to the Triveni Terrace Cafe. The Triveni Terrace Cafe, overlooking the beautifully landscaped lawns of the amphitheatre, is renowned for its delicious home-style food. The cafe is a popular converging point for artists and art connoisseurs, students and intellectuals who get together to have lively conversations and refresh themselves over unending cups of masala chai and innovative food. The fate of any building lies in its use, its legacy. Triveni, which has a confluence or sangam of various art forms, celebrates the space it inhabits. The music flowing through the corridors with sunlight cascading through the jalis, the exhibitions with paintings from M.F. Hussain and F.N. Souza, and the amphitheatre with its usual bustle all bring people together. And that is what makes this building, birthed by Joseph Allen Stein, so beautiful.